We are now over here at the Hoover Dam. What do you think about this?
I love these towers that are knocked over. Actually, at first I thought somebody had an accident. They would just been too trifling to fix it. But that is amazing. I want a picture of that knocked over power
There's
towers.
the dam right
cool?
there. Yeah. It's crazy.
It's amazing.
Crane.
Off the wall. That's gonna do a picture on the wall.
Huh?
Off the wall. Michael Jackson. Isn't that beautiful? It's just no way to really capture how amazing this looks. The rocks are all different colors. They chisel the waves with my hand. It's so beautiful.
Crazy. I'm getting it in on these bikes though. For real.
I'm an amazing motorcycle rider, driver.
I know, I'm killing it on that bike, ain't I?
Yes.
We got the black stallion over there. That's what we ride on. See it right there. See it? Boom. Look at that kid down there. Danger.